Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm up early this morning and I'm making something that I have not made in a while. But my mom is here with me and she's very good at it. I love the way she makes it. So we're gonna tackle this one together. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients so you can have an idea of what it's going to be. Different people make it different ways. But this is the way that my mom used to make it when we were growing up. And I love it. So, these are the ingredients. Before I show you the ingredients, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, you are so welcomed here. If you're returning, big up yourself for coming back. And remember, it is a vibe on Weekend Vibes with Shornette. So, subscribe. Hey guys, these are basically what I'm going to use. I'm going to add in like salt and spice, but I'm going to be using some banana, green banana, coconut. I'm going to be using flour, cornmeal, sugar, and I'm going to be tying them in wax paper and tying with some cord. So you know it by now. I'm making Dukunou. Blue jaws, Dukunou, one of my favorite Jamaican treats. So I know different people make it different ways, but these are the ingredients that my mom used to use. So keep watching and I'm going to show you how we make it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the coconut ready. Next, I'm gonna wash the bananas. Then I'm going to peel them. I don't even know what the name of these bananas are. I just when we went shopping, my mom said to get these. She said they're similar to white oat banana in Jamaica, and they're good to make. The blue jars. Alright, so I'm going to peel these, and then after peeling them, we grate them. Easy to peel. Good, so that's what they look like when they're peeled. I'm going to continue peeling all of them and then wash it again, and then they're ready to grate. Alright. Okay guys, so the bananas are washed, peeled, washed and ready. So I'm gonna grate it. Let's check in to see an update. So the coconut is grated and ready. So I'm gonna cover that up, and we're currently grating the bananas. So I'm grating the banana. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients ready. The banana is ready. I'm using 1 pound of sugar, brown sugar, half pound of cornmeal, 2 pounds of flour, 1 grated coconut, and up here I have some mixed spice, nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt. So I'm going to show you how I combine all these ingredients together. The first one I'm going to combine is the banana and the coconut. So keep watching. Alright, so I'm putting the coconut into the pan with the banana, the grated banana, and I'm going to mix those. I'm blending the banana with the grated coconut. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so it's nicely blended. And then I'm going to add in some vanilla. I'm going to add all the ingredients and the measurements that I use in the description box. So I'm just going to add in some vanilla. Blending everything up. Okay, so now I'm going to combine the flour and the other dry ingredients. So I'm using 2 pounds of flour. I'm using half pound of cornmeal and 1 pound sugar. And I'm using all the spice are here. We have salt, cinnamon, mixed spice, and nutmeg. So I'm putting all of that in, and then I'm going to mix them up, blend everything together, and then I'm going to show you how I'm adding into the mixture with the banana and grated coconut. So different people make this different ways. Some people use only cornmeal with the coconut, and I think some other people make it up different ways, but I like this one with the banana. Alright, so now we're going to combine everything together. This is what it looks like. I'm going to combine the flour to the banana and coconut mixture. I'm going to add it in little by little. If you notice, I'm not using any liquid. Using any water. I'm just going to continue adding in the flour mixture. If it gets too tight, then I may use a little water, but for now I'm not adding in any water. And you notice the consistency. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when everything is added in. It looks like a nice dough and it feels really tight. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to add these to the paper. I'm using wax paper or grease paper because I don't have banana leaf. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to section them out, tie them, and put them in the pot. So keep watching. And guys, this is somewhere where if you have someone at home, you can have them help you to tie these out. Because it takes a while to tie out everything. I think this part is the part that takes the longest time. Dukunou, blue jaws, American style, because we don't have banana leaf. I'm going to get the pot ready because I'm boiling the blue jaws. So I have some water on. I'm going to turn on the stove and get it ready. I'm going to add in some sugar and salt. So I'm actually adding in 1 cup of sugar and salt to taste. Just the same amount of salt you would put on in a pot if you're cooking like food, ground provision. So I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna add in some kosher salt. I'm going to stir it in and bring this to a boil. So by the time I'm finished wrapping out those, it's ready. Okay guys. So we have the dukunou ready. There we go. So we're gonna add them to the boiled water. From the mixture we were able to get about 20. And we're going to allow them to cook. It's about the same time as if you're cooking dumpling. Alright guys, so that's what they look like in the pot. And I'm going to cover it and turn up back the stove to medium, and then that's it. We're gonna allow them to cook. Okay guys, they're finished, so we're gonna transfer them to another pan. So that they can cool and set. They look like. it looks like. I'm gonna cut it up and try it. And you will see what it, how it tastes. Yeah, if you do that, the draft tastes good. It's really good. Tastes really good, guys. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye. Like the video, share the video, comment, subscribe. It's a vibe.